Merci Suárez Changes Gears. Author Meg Medina grew up in a Cuban-American community. She discovered a passion for writing in her childhood. Inspired by the power of words, she set out on a journey to share her unique voice with the world. Medina creates stories for readers of all ages, from touching tales of friendship and family to encouraging stories of self-discovery. Her books contain diverse experiences and voices that appeal to many readers. Medina's journey as an author has been filled with success. She received the Newbery Medal for her 2018 children's book, Merci Suárez Changes Gears. In 2023, she was named as the National Ambassador for Young People's Literature to promote the importance of reading in children and teenagers. Through her powerful words, Medina has touched the hearts of countless readers and left a lasting mark in the world of literature. Beyond her career, Medina is a supporter of diversity. She devotes herself to expressing different voices and encouraging talented writers from all backgrounds. When she is not writing, Medina enjoys spending time with readers and fellow writers to share her experiences and create a love of writing in others.